This is the circus site. This is how far, yeah, that's the Toti River. It's completely burst its banks to the Toti, to the circus site where it normally is. This is all covered in water. Yeah, you can see it flowing in the back there. The Toti River's completely burst its banks. Toti River Bridge, no go. This is the old river gardens by the substation. You can see the substation is completely under and the water's flowing. Toti CBD is a complete no-go. Yeah, the river banks have broken and you can't get in anyway, any which side. And I can smell sewage.
And this is the little bridge? Talk on it.
Yeah, this is the little bridge at the bottom of Vasco da Gama Drive. It's definitely a no-go. This is coming down Amanzimtoti Drive. Just before, you can see there's Kingfisher Road, and this is just before you go up to Bengu. It's already the water and the river's already into the road. You can see, so just after that car there would be Bengu Drive going up to the school, and this is at the bottom.